If your website takes more than 2 seconds to load, you are actively losing almost half your traffic before they even see what you do. That's not a guess, that's just the data. And the crazy part is most people don't realize until it's far too late that their site isn't the bottleneck. It's their cheap hosting. And now I tested a lot of hosts, and while some will give you total control, they'll also leave you completely on your own to fix things when they break. So today, I'm gonna show you exactly how to get your site on high-speed servers so you stop bleeding visitors, and without needing a degree in computer science to keep it running.
A quick heads up, I have put affiliate links in the description for everything we're covering. If you use them, I do earn a commission at no extra cost to you, which helps support the channel.
So let's clear out the two things you actually need to make a website real, because people mix these up all the time: your domain and your hosting. Your domain is just your street address. It's like what people type in to find you, www.google.com, right? That kind of thing. Your hosting is the actual building where your website files live. And if your building has a leaky roof or the tours keep locking your customers out, having a nice address don't matter all that much. Now, a lot of beginners will jump into those all-in-one website builders because they seem easy. You pick a template, you drag some text around, and you're online. Cool. But what they don't tell you is that you don't actually own that site. You're just renting it on their platform. And the second you want to do something like actually add a custom checkout or tweak your SEO or move to a different provider, that'll mean rebuilding the entire thing from scratch. That's why WordPress is the gold standard here. It powers over 40% of the internet because it gives you total ownership. You own your content, you own your data, and you can pack up and move whenever you want. The catch is you will have to provide the hosting yourself. And this is where people freeze up, because you look for a host and get hit with terms like shared servers, edge computing, PHP versions. It feels like you're about to accidentally delete the internet, but you don't need to understand the code, okay? All those terms really translate to is how fast is your site gonna load? Is it safe from hackers? And is it gonna crash if you suddenly get a spike in traffic? When you're choosing a host, you really only care about 3 practical things. You want at least 99.9% uptime, so your site doesn't randomly go dark. You want built-in security, like an SSL certificate, so visitors' browsers don't flag your site as a scam. And you want real human support available 24/7 when you inevitably click the wrong button. Now, I've used a ton of different hosts. Some are dirt cheap, but when your site breaks, their support is just a bot pointing you to a forum. Others are insanely fast, but they'll charge you an arm and a leg for basic features, meaning you end up getting additional fees for every single step of the process. For launching a self-hosted WordPress site right now without pulling your hair out, I personally use Bluehost, and honestly, taking the DIY route and managing your own WordPress site is the smartest move you can make for your business, and Bluehost just makes that so much easier by fixing the worst part about WordPress: the blank screen. Usually when you install WordPress, you get dumped into this bare dashboard and you have to spend hours figuring out themes and page builders all by yourself. Bluehost skips that. They built an AI onboarding system called Wondersuite, where when you first log in, it asks you a few basic questions about your business. Then it automatically builds out your core site, installs a fast theme, and sets up your page structures using a drag and drop editor. Basically, you get all the fast, easy setup of those closed website builders, but you still 100% own the site. But the real reason you want your site here is what's under the hood. Like, remember how I said speed is the only thing keeping you from losing 50% of your traffic? Well, Bluehost runs on NVMe storage. And I'm not gonna get super nerdy on here. NVMe just means the server reads and writes your website's data drastically faster than older hard drives. When someone clicks your link, the page snaps open. They're also running PHP 8.4, and think of PHP as the engine that powers WordPress. A lot of hosts will leave you on older versions, which are slower and becoming massive security risks over time. Running the modern standard means your site can handle way more visitors all at once, and it's primed to run smoothly when the massive WordPress 7 update drops later this year. And speaking of security, you don't have to buy an SSL certificate, it's all included. That's the little padlock icon next to your web address, and without it, Google will actively warn people that your site is dangerous, and nobody is gonna trust you with their credit card then. Bluehost has it on by default. Plus, if you go with their business or e-commerce tiers, they actually include automatic daily backups. So if you mess around with a plugin and accidentally break your homepage, which we've all done at some point, you won't need to panic or rebuild it from scratch. Literally just click a button, restore it, and you are back to exactly how it looked yesterday.
If you want to check out what we're covering today, we have affiliate links in the description. Using those earns us a commission at no extra cost to you, which really helps support the channel.
All right, so which plan actually makes sense for you? Well, if you're just building a portfolio or a local business site or a blog to get your name out there, just grab the starter plan. It's like $4 a month. It gets you the Wondersuite AI tools so you aren't staring at a blank screen, and they even throw in the domain for the first year. Now, if you're treating this like a real business and you want that safety net of daily automatic backups, which honestly is the only way I personally can sleep at night without worrying about my site breaking in half, go with their business plan. You get 50 gigs of that super fast NVMe storage, and you can host up to 50 sites on it if you get bored and you want to launch more projects later on. And if you are actually selling stuff, physical products, digital downloads, courses, please do not try to hack together a bunch of free plugins. It never works right, okay? Go for the e-commerce essentials tier. It comes with WooCommerce already installed and securely configured, so you can actually take credit cards on day one without giving your customers a sketchy checkout experience. Regardless of which one you pick, they all solve the biggest hurdle to building a website, which is it can feel like a massive mountain to climb. And look, I get it. You got the name picked out, okay? You know what you want to sell, but the tech side just makes you want to chuck your laptop into the ocean. But once you get past this first step, once you just pick a solid host that actually handles all the heavy lifting, all that stress, it really does disappear. The site is live, it's fast, you stop playing IT support, and you finally get to do the fun part, which is actually building your business. Bluehost just makes taking that step a whole lot less painful.
And don't forget, you can find the affiliate links for what we covered right below this video. If you use them, we earn a commission at no extra cost to you, which really does help support the channel.
Also, if you're a brand and you'd like to work with us or sponsor a future video, you can reach out using our email that's also in the description down below. Now, as always, I really enjoy hearing y'all's thoughts. And if you got any questions or you got stuck on any part of the setup, go ahead and drop a comment below and I will try to get back to you as fast as I can. If this video helped at all, it'd be awesome if you could give it a like and subscribe for more like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.